Sunday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:08 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from St. Clements Bay to near Yokomico River to 7 nautical miles southwest of Smith Point, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Crisfield, Southwest Middle Grounds, Cuckold Creek, Ewell, St. George Island, Point No Point, Calvert Cliffs, Patargus, Richland Point Buoy, St. Clements Bay, Smith Island, Piney Point, mouth of the Potomac River, Deep Hole, Solomon's Island, Nanticoke River mouth, Town Creek, Point Lookout, and Tangier Sound. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.